Hello children, I hope you all are doing good. Stay home and be safe. So today I am going to teach you the chapter Patul Babu Film Star. So this is a story written by a Bengali filmmaker Satyajit Roy. So who was Satyajit Roy? Satyajit Roy was a renowned Indian filmmaker, writer, illustrator and music director. Roy's first film, Pather Panchali, won 11 international prizes, including the Best Human Document Award at the 1956 Cannes Film Festival. This film, along with Aparijito and Apur Sansar, from the Appu trilogy. Ray was also a publisher, music composer and film critic. So today the story that I am going to take is Patul Babu. So as I said, this story has been written by Satyajit Roy. He was a Bengali filmmaker. Okay. So here Patul Babu was a 52-year-old man who got an offer to play a very short role as a pedestrian in a film. In his same film, Superstar, Chanchal Kumar was to run into him while rushing to his office. So now I am going to tell you the summary of this story written by Satyajit Roy. So, Patul Babu had lost his clerical post with Hudson and Kimberley in Calcutta due to the cost-cutting measures during the war more than 10 years ago. Since then, he had tried a number of different jobs, from running a store to becoming an insurance salesman. However, he was not able to settle into any of these endeavors and was in great need of money. One day, his neighbor Nishikantu Babu introduced him to Naresh Dutt. Naresh was part of the production department of a new movie and asked Patul Babu to do a small role in the movie. This offer made Patul Babu recall his younger days when he had settled job at Kanchrapada. In those days, he was a regular actor in the jatras, amateur theatricals and plays put up by the club in his neighborhood. His talent was appreciated and his name often appeared on the handbills advertising the performances. In fact, people often watched the plays just for his performance. That means he was very good actor. His performance was very nice. So just the people, they are not bothered about the story and all, the script and all. They just watch it to see his performance over there. In recent years, however, he was too busy trying to earn a living and had to give up his love for the stage. So earlier he used to take part in films and all, but nowadays what happened? He was struggling to meet his daily needs. Okay, he has lost his job and all the things happened to him, so he was in very urge to get a job and he just wanted to leave. He was just searching job to earn living, and he had to give up his love for that stage. When Patul Babu reached the scene of the shooting, outside Faraday House, he observed all the activity on the sets, but was anxious about his role and wanted to know what his lines would be. So what happened? Naresh told him that he had to walk to a certain point, bump into into the hero Chanchal Kumar and say a single word, "Oh." Patul Babu was initially disappointed, but he recalled his mentor Mr. Pakrashi telling him that it was not the size of the role but what you give to it that matters. So he started practicing various ways of saying the word, trying to mix 60 parts of irritation with 40 of surprise. That means that particular man just came to him telling that I have got a scene for you in the film. At that time he was not having job, he lost all his job and all. So what he thought, he was very happy that again he is going to act in the film. So what happened when he came to know that he just had a very little scene in that particular movie, he got disappointed. But then what happened, then Patul Babu just recalled his mentor Mr. Pakrashi. Pakrashi once told him that it was not the size of the role but what you are doing, it matters. So he started seeing that particular thing in a positive perspective. And what happened, he started practicing that particular single word in many ways so that he can do it better. When the time came for the shot, he suggested that he should hold a newspaper, which the director agreed to. He was also given a mustache for the role. Finally, he performed a most impressive shot, which did not require any retakes. However, while waiting for Naresh Dutt to pay him for his role, Patul Babu realized that the creative satisfaction that he had got from this small performance was far more important than the money that he would have earned. He quietly went away from there. So what happened when the time came for his shot? Okay, so you all know that initially he was not very happy with the scene. Why? Because when he came to know about the particular scene, that it was very short. Okay, so what happened? At last, when the time, then he just remembered what his mentor said. His mentor said, it doesn't matter how small the role is, how small the scene is, the matter what you are doing there, that matters. So he started just seeing that particular thing in a positive way, and he started practicing that particular small word very nicely. When the time came for the shot, what happened? He suggested that he should hold a newspaper. Means Patul Babu suggested to the director that I just want to hold a newspaper. At the same time, he was also given a mustache for the role. And when he performed it for the first time, it was very impressive shot which he did with his heart, and it doesn't require any retakes. However, while waiting for Naresh Dutt to pay him for his role, so Naresh Dutt was just waiting to pay him for his role, to give him money. Patul Babu realized, okay, I don't need any money. Why? Because he thought that the creative satisfaction that I got from this small performance was far more important than the money which I am going to get. So what he did after the shot, after the scene, after taking all the things, he quietly went away from there without taking a single penny. So this is all about the story. Thank you so much.